their salary, my lord, I have come to know from the Assistant Director that it will benefit to depend for a credit.
You do one thing, you file it in the department and give the number to my officer.
All
All right.
Only get me leave, my lord, any day before 31st July. Any day. Permanent role also.
30th Brihaspatibar.
My lord,
May I have your lordship kindly?
My lord, I am-
Matter, my lord, the petitioner is running, my lord, nothing.
What you want?
For enlistment, my lord, then motion, my lord.
Today is not the date for inclusion. Please do not.
So
pay.
taking leave to file an urgent.
No.
my lord, I am-
Last week mentioning was more than 1,000 matters have been mentioned, I am told.
Proctor, my lord, last Wednesday, my lord, we are having, my lord, the my lord, recognition of INC as well as WNC. Now, INC has, my lord, abruptly, my lord, without intimating anything, my lord, withdraw them, my lord, our name from their website.
Yes, because I have passed orders in many matters
No.
for physical inspection of the nursing home,
Now,
the institutes,
we have no
pharmacy
issue,
and everything.
We have no issue, my lord. My lord, 4 occasions, my lord, direction has been given to the, my lord, the INC, my lord, to make their stand clear by filing a report in the form of affidavit. My lord, that is not being filed, my lord, for last 1 year.
Well, then it can appear as to be mentioned. It will appear on Wednesday. Give notice to your other side to be
Your
mentioned.
lordship, I'm
My
seeking
lord-
leave to file an urgent matter. The matter pertains to wrongful evaluation of my OMR seat by National Testing Agency in the NEET UG 2026. Your lordship, the NT has awarded me 220 marks. However, upon analyzing the answer key and the OMR sheet, I am entitled to almost 570 marks. Discrepancy of 350 marks, your lordship. The
The result was declared long back last week. So many matters were taken up. Where were you?
your lordship, I filed. Your lordship, this the client.
The brief is there in your hand. How can it be that you filed?
I haven't filed, your lordship. I'm seeking leave
Yes.
to file the matter, your lordship.
You should have come early.
Lordship, the result was declared a few weeks back only.
Exactly. So many matters. Where is the urgency?
Lordship, the counseling process will start anytime
So,
soon, your lordship.
keep waiting.
You should kindly grant.
my lord,
Thursday.
May I permit a time?
Thursday. Serve notice.
Yes, sir, lord. Lordship, may I permit a time in the matter?
Admission of school? Admission of school means? Where is the matter? Where is the matter? In the department? Is the matter appearing in the list? In the court, not in the list. Then you have to come next time when I accept mentioning for inclusions.
my lord, I am,
Correction give.
Yes. May I be
my lord, I am
permitted?
praying for upgradation, my lord. Due to wrong evaluation, I am not able to get my degree and I am not able to appear in other exam, my lord.
Which exam?
In any government exam, my lord. Due to wrong evaluation, I have given repeat exam, but my marks was not clear. When I am
Which
opted,
examination was not evaluated properly?
my lord, the final degree evaluation, my lord.
Degree of which course?
Path course.
Graduation?
Yes, my lord.
Where is your matter?
My matter is, my lord, with the department, my lord. It is in the monthly list, my lord.
With the department and monthly list are two different concepts.
It is in the monthly list, my lord. Item number 1339, my lord. Appears.
1339.
Yes, my lord.
Give notice to the other side. Thursday it will appear.
Deeply obliged, my lord. I will.
Correction.
May I be permitted to?
Permitted to mention item number 1566.
No mentioning for upgradations.
I have on the last 2 occasions I have handed over the.
Then you please wait. More than 500 or 600 slips are there for upgradation and 1,000 matters for inclusion. Cannot help.
My matter is transfer matter. It is wrongly appearing as item number 1602. It should come under the transfer matter. Under the transfer matter.
See, the combined list will be published very soon, next week. That's it. Next week it will appear. Item number to likhen into 1602 will be transfer matter. It will be transfer matter. Put it in the transfer bundle. Nothing else. Yes.
It's kindly to mention a matter. One of the 3 applications that your lordship was pleased to dismiss on the last occasion in Silco, August, Lanceda. The file is here. We're not being able to apply for a certified copy. Your lordship has kept the matter on Thursday. I'm told, my lord, if your lordship just directs your lordship's office to send the file down, I'll be able to obtain the certified copy of
Then with the
this is the particular.
No, no, particulars is all right, but then with the server copy, you can get a certified copy.
No, the
Certified
file is
serv-
here. So I'm told without the file being
server
sent
copy
down,
থেকে যদি certified
department
copy
will not.
লাগে তাও file লাগে?
Told that without the file being sent down, this bit really I don't know.
ফাইল পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে? পাঠাতে হবে?
This
ফাইলটা
bit I
পাঠিয়ে
really don't know.
ফাইল ওখানে হয়ে গেলে এখানে give photocopies, otherwise
This will get
this will be required.
I'll do that. Great.
Lordship, may I, one matter, NEET Lordship 2026. Lordships, I have filed and tomorrow is the date. Lordships, I have, the number is given and also served notice, Lordship. This is urgent case, Lordship.
NEET.
NEET UG 2026, Lordships.
Yes, এটা কি কালকে আর্জেন্ট মোশন করে দেবেন?
Bishop, may I be
কালকে লিস্টে আসার কথা আছে,
to
put it under the
mention-
heading urgent motion.
I'm grateful, Lordship.
Intimate your other side, please.
Already intimate, Lordship.
Well, with notice mail or application is currently family pension. It has not been disbursed, but PSO, Pension Sanction Authority already.
No inclusion, no mentioning for inclusions. Yes.
For my terminal,
I mentioned this matter and the application was made. I earlier mentioned this.
Yes.
So, my lord, it is my lord, extreme urgency that he is not deferred from getting my lord pension.
See, next week the list will be published. Please do not
my
mention.
lord, for terminal benefit, exception has already filed, my lord.
Yes, so
Direction was upon petitioner for mention, my lord.
for mentioning, mention before any bench having determination.
Only inclusion.
This bench it will not be possible. Impossible. Yes.
Lord, may I be permitted to mention for inclusion two matters?
Today is not the date for inclusion. Yes, madam.
May I be permitted to mention for the inclusion of a
No
transfer?
inclusions. Yes.
I'm mentioning indulgence, seeking indulgence, your lordships. My lord, to file with short service and to move today. My lord, your lordship has passed that order, my lord, regarding the eastern wetlands, my lord, eastern Kolkata wetlands, my lord, where a demolition drive is taking place. And it's a very good initiative. But I am one of the tenants in a building. I've been there for the last 1.5 to 2 years. I run, my lord, a animal feeds manufacturing process. I've been there for a long time. My lord, I have a number spread to be added. My lord, give me some time till I can relocate. That's all. My
Nobody has been added.
My lord,
Applications for additions galore pending. None have been added.
my lord,
So I am not adding you also.
my lord, that demolition might happen today.
Maybe. I'm sorry. I have not added anybody. You are coming today.
My lord, because
This
I've got
matter
the-
is pending. 1 minute. This
Yes,
matter is pending for nearly 3 years. Right?
My lord.
And there are the demolition process is on
Yes, my lord.
for quite some time. So similarly placed some people like you all have come.
Okay.
And the court has not interfered with anybody. So
Kindly, I'm only the application. My lord, I want to leave. My
nothing
lord, I have,
doing.
this is an application, my lord, I do not want to stay there, but I just need some time to relocate.
You mention
lordship will-
before them, mention before them, you file it in the department. When is the matter returnable?
My lord, matter is returnable on 14th. My lord, what the notice which I have got, my lord, that demolition is going to take place today. I got the notice only on
You
Friday.
intimate over them. You intimate them what is to be done, but then today the matter will not be taken up. And I'm not going to
Lord,
stay. I'm not going to
Kindly
do
keep it
anything.
tomorrow, my lord. In that case, my lord, I'll see what I can do, my lord. I'll try and convince them to give me 1 day time. If your lordship only hears me, I want to leave the place.
I
But your
understand.
lordship will give me some time. That's
I
all I'm seeking.
understand.
An indulgence.
This indulgence have been refused for everybody. You want the matter to be listed?
My lord, if your lordship lists
Listed
it tomorrow, my lord,
Tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Thursday is the regular day for applications. List it
I
on
won't be able to
Thursday.
make them wait till Thursday, my lord. That's the thing, my lord. My lord, I run a factory. I have all the licenses,
Sir,
the
you may be
pollution
right.
control and everything.
But the place from where you are running is a water body and nothing can be.
But I will leave and
perm-
go. I'm not saying I will not leave and go.
I understand.
I have,
You
my lord,
convince the authorities.
my lord, they will not listen. My lord,
Thursday, nothing before Thursday. Yes,
my lord,
sir.
may I only request for tomorrow, my lord.
No, Thursday. Yes.
An inclusion in the list with respect
Tell
to the illegal construction.
Well, if
Illegal
your lordship
construction.
needs-
What is to be done? This is a.
They are
Short serve and come back on Thursday. I'll see what I can do in the meantime, my lord.
Is it affirmed?
Yes, my lord, affirmed. Affirmed.
It's an
It's
application.
an application. I came to know only on Friday, my lord.
Leave দিতে হবে for filing the application. Thursday আসবে.
Thursday. I'll try my luck with them, my lord. If there is some inconvenience, I'll again try and come and disturb your lordship.
Yes.
It is the order of this court by illegal construction. I have filed a contempt application. It needs to be heard urgently because they have started construction, madam.
No.
May I be,
Company, madam.
may I be permitted to mention item number 1844 of the monthly list, the urgency is this, that the petitioner petitioner salary has been stopped since April 2026, and her daughter is suffering from psychomatic your lordship may kindly I have annexed the medical documents also, your lordship.
What do you want?
Day, any day your lordship may kindly hear this, madam, because her daughter is suffering, salary stopped, since April 2026. She is suffering day by
Who
day.
has stopped it? DI? DI has stopped. Aided school? Where is your matter?
1844,
1844 on Wednesday. Urgent motion, give notice to the other. That is
I
not
have
required.
already given notice, in the meantime, today also, in the course of the day, I will give,
Keep all papers with you.
Extremely great. 1844.
Monthly list inclusions have already been taken, so it cannot be taken. Got it? Yes, sir. 3 marks. Who is the other side? Day after tomorrow, it take urgent motion diye deben to. Item. Today's list 142, Wednesday as urgent motion. Please intimate the other side.
May I permit to upgradation, this
Upgradation? Do not mention. Do not mention.
the urgency is, may I say my urgency?
No, I will not listen to any urgency. Yes. Nothing.
One inclusion, my lord.
No, sorry, please excuse.
For correction.
Correction give.
One matter for upgradation to item.
No upgradation.
Restoration application.
No inclusions and upgradations.
May I have your lordship's kind leave to mention one matter for extension of interim order, your lordship?
When is it expiring?
It is expiring on 31st of this month, your lordship.
Give. And serve notice upon the other
I
side.
served, your lordship, I shall serve one.
Even then you serve extension of interim order. Yes. What is to be done? Transfer the portal is functional. Go and apply. Yes, call the item number 1.
Ladyship had heard this issue, my lord, innumerable times, my lord, when my lord accommodation was paid for, my lord, on behalf of the contemners on some pretext or the other. Now, my lord, their conduct of non-appearance, but that establishes, my lord, how obdurate they are towards the process of law and the dignity and majesty of justice. My lord, I had argued in detail, my lord.
No, in the changed circumstances, would you still like to argue? And what's the punishment?
My lord, no one, my contention is, my lord, no one is above, my lord, the dignity and majesty of justice,
That
above the
is
rule of law.
absolutely all right.
An undertaking was given before the honorable court, which was recorded, on the basis whereof certain observations were made by your ladyship and the matter was disposed of. Immediately thereafter, it was violated. And when, my lord, in contempt, they said that no, the honorable court cannot enter into this arena. That was their argument. They said that we'll argue on the maintainability. And now they have
right now, they will not be in a position to rectify whatever has done.
At least,
so
my lord,
the only thing left is punishment.
But there should be an apology. There should be an apology, my lord. My lord, I am submitting on instructions, my lord. My lord, may kindly, my lord, issue a rule at least, so that, my lord, they can at least appear and they can, my lord, state as to why, my lord, this was done. But this very conduct, first is, my lord, giving an undertaking to the honorable court. Second is, my lord, violating that immediately once the undertaking formed a part of the order, solemn order. And thereafter, my lord, arguing about maintainability or about, my lord, no contempt. And now, non-appearance.
Non-appearance because of the changed circumstances.
No, but they remain a contemptible person, my lord.
True, that is true. But then,
My lord, may kindly, my lord, issue, my lord, a rule, my lord, against.
This is going to eat up a lot of valuable time of the court.
As against, my
the
lord,
court doesn't want to.
As against, my lord, the contender number 1, my lord.
It is only one.
Yes.
Others, we are not much interested right now. It is only the contender number 1. But then.
But kindly, at least, my lord, let him appear and let him, at least, my lord, say, my lord, that it was not right what he had done. He cannot.
This will again go for hearing. Nobody will come and take the responsibility.
No, my lord, issuance of rule, my lord, will copy because your ladyship was about to issue a rule.
Yes, but then
Thereafter, my lord, there was much persuasion, my lord, from.
We'll see next time. Ticked out an order in view of the changed circumstances, comma, the court is not inclined to allow the petitioner to proceed with the matter any further at this stage. Stop. The contempt application stands disposed of. Next time, let us see what will happen. As of now, let people remain in peace.
Very well.
Yes, next.
Item 2 I have.
Yes.
That this is regarding approval of my appointment in a de-grading school. But what has happened is
you are representing the
state.
The state respondent.
Ready with instructions?
My lord, instructions I have sought for. I am yet to obtain instructions, but before that, I must indicate the circular that they are relying upon. When a senior friend plays the case, I'll indicate that. That circular is not applicable, my lord, on a bare reading of the circular.
All right.
But I'll be praying before your lordship, that my case, I joined the school as Group D in 2012. In paragraph 3, page 13 is my appointment letter. Now, my name was sent to the District Inspector of Schools for approval. Now, I was appointed against a sanction vacancy. Page 17, if your lordship kindly have a look to page 17.
Yes.
Submission of necessary papers for approval of job of Group D staff Dinesh Yadav. But the school has forwarded the records to the DI for approval. No action has been taken since 6th of March 2025. Now, suddenly.
But how were you appointed?
I was appointed by the school managing committee.
Managing committee, there was no regular selection process?
No. This is de-grading school.
Yes.
In de-grading school, the school take the resolution and they appoint the incumbent. Here, kindly have a look to page 11.
Yes.
resolved that Sri Dinesh Kumar Yadav, appointed on 11th of January 2012, has been absorbed in one of the posts fallen vacant due to the retirement of Sri Kishori Mahato, approved Group B staff. But against the approved vacancy, I was discharging my duty since 2012. Now, what I am on is, before your lordship, page 20. The DI has sent a mail to the school mentioning that why the school authority submitted proposal for approval of non-teaching staff, give clarification. Now, the school is suffering, school doesn't have any non-teaching staff for approval in a regular vacant post. But the school has, the person who is discharging for last 14 years, the school has sent his name. Let him take a decision and pass a reasoned order. Only this much. One notification I am relying on at page 22 is the copy, 23 is the type copy.
Where is the compliance of serial number 3 in page 22? Whenever vacancy arises, the managing committee will approach the concerned DI for permission order. Prior permission, where is it?
But prior permission required when? But it is the school managing committee who will answer. But I being the incumbent, I cannot answer to this. But if your lordship can direct the DI to consider the case.
All right, I followed, yes.
My lord, only two dates I shall indicate. My lord, kindly sees the date of appointment of the writ petitioner. Page 13, annexure P1. It's a 7th January letter. My lord, the date of appointment given is 11th January 2012. My lord, now kindly comes to page 22, where that circular is referred to. The date of the circular is 3rd November 2011. It is the humble submission that this circular does not apply to the writ petitioner. Why I'll indicate. Well, kindly sees the first paragraph. In reference to the subject mentioned above, the undersigned has to inform him that the government has allowed the authority of the DA getting schools to fill up the vacancy arises within the sanctioned strength from the qualified non-teaching staff librarian already working in the schools. At that point of time, when the circular had come in, the petitioner was not already working in the school.
Very well. If that be so,
yes,
2012 when he was appointed, which will be the circular relevant in this case?
My lord, in such a situation, in my humble submission, my lord, they cannot be absorbed in such a situation, my lord.
What is to be done?
My lord, that I'll definitely seek instruction, but on a bare reading of this circular.
Very well, you come ready with instructions.
My lord, I shall seek instructions.
Learned the petitioner was appointed as a class 4 staff in a DA getting school with effect from 11th January 2012. Step. After a vacancy arose in the post of Group D staff, the school appointed the petitioner in the said sanctioned vacant post of Group D. Stop. A request from the school to the DI for approval of the service of the petitioner was made in March 2025. Stop. The DI, by a communication in September 2025, requested the school authority to submit a clarification
Let my learned friend
on
wants
the
to
proposal for approval of the non-teaching staff.
dispose of হয়ে যেত না তাহলে এখনই বলে দাও
My lord, what my learned senior friend also submitted before your honorable before your lordship, my lord, a representation in detail can be sent to the DI. my lord, and the DI will consider that representation and will dispose it off, my lord, giving his views, my lord, instead of it coming to me. My lord,
Why are you shirking off from the
no,
responsibility?
my lord, I don't intend to.
Right.
I don't intend to, my lord. We will definitely seek instructions and we'll place it.
Yes.
Your lordship.
Then please do. তারপর the school thereafter forwarded a clarification in October 2025. Stop. There is no response from the end of the District Inspector of Schools. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner relies on a memo dated 3rd November 2011 in support of approval of service of the petitioner. Stop.
Paragraph 1.
Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to revert with a written report from the District Inspector of Schools. Release the matter on 10th August 2026.
Great.
Next.
Well, I am for the petitioner, my lord. There was a direction to exchange the affidavit, my lord. They have filed their affidavit, and this is our affidavit in reply, my lord. May I hand over a copy of the affidavit in reply, my lord?
What is your prayer?
My lord, my prayer is for reinstating the petitioner in service.
Reinstate.
Reinstate means he was initially started to teach them there and taught there for a long period of time in the college. Thereafter, my lord, since 2022, after the lockdown, he was not allowed to conduct any of the classes or join.
First, when you are engaged, were you engaged in a contractual basis or anything of regular engagement?
It was a contractual engaged full-time teacher, WTA full-time teacher. He was appointed as a full-time teacher. My lord, there was slack was there, my lord, that period of time.
What was there?
That for the regularization of the teachers for any nomenclature, maybe the whole-time teacher, part-time teacher, guest teacher, and others in the colleges, they were given an option to upgrade their salary and other things. Man, the government made a proposal.
Show me your appointment letter.
My lord, kindly come to. My lord, after the degree, my lord, my appointment letter is annexed in page number. My lord, may I give you?
You are appearing for the college?
No, my lord. I'm for the state, my lord.
Oh,
we have been newly instructed to.
Oh, you do not have the papers?
No, my lord.
Page 56, my lord.
Who filed opposition, you said?
My lord,
College?
opposition.
4 and 5, I believe.
4 and 5.
4 and 5, my lord.
Yes, Surendranath College.
Yes, not the state.
Surendranath College for women.
Who is appearing for the college?
My lord, earlier Mr. Shivashish Banerjee used to appear, my lord.
Now,
He appeared once. I don't know who is appearing, my lord. I have to ascertain, my lord, in that case.
give a notice and come back.
And my lord, let them
In
serve
the
at least
meantime-
one copy to the advocate on record.
Advocate on record of the
State.
Yes.
State.
I will serve.
Freshly engaged. Acha, if you
I am
can
handing
reply,
over may I hand over the copy to him.
it is so voluminous.
So voluminous petition, my lord. There was earlier round of petition. My
Very
lord. I'm handing over, my lord.
Affidavit in reply filed by the petitioner to the opposition filed on behalf of the college is taken on record. Stop. None appears on behalf of the college at the time of hearing. Stop. Learned at an entire set of the cause papers have been handed over to the learned advocate currently engaged to defend the state respondents. Stop. Let notice be served upon the non-appearing respondents. You are still there in service?
My lord, theoretically I am there, but my lord, practically I am not.
That means, are you teaching or not
I
teaching?
am not teaching.
Not teaching.
Not
But
anything.
then no termination letter or nothing of that sort.
That's all.
What are you doing? What are you doing for a living?
My lord, nothing. As such, there is no.
Unemployed?
Unemployed, my lord. I will just check, my lord. What is how have I? I'm not doing anything, my lord.
Release the matter for further consideration on. By 2 weeks, you can get ready. 10th of August.
Grateful, my lord. Against the
Good. My lord, may I file the appeal service and the my lord, supplementary affidavit I have prepared, my lord, because your lordship, this petition was heard, finally disposed, rather dismissed. I prefer an appeal. The appeal court remanded the matter with certain guidelines and directions.
For fresh hearing.
Fresh hearing, my lord. The orders are, I have the order and the documents used before the honorable division bench. I have annexed those in my supplementary affidavit. May I hand over to the college, my lord? University, my lord. I have served all, my lord. Your lordship will find the my lord, order page 29 onward of the supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
And my lord, the directions are at page 36, turning page 36. I have an allegation of biasness. The honorable single bench was pleased to dismiss my application. That I have failed to prove the biasness. The honorable division bench was pleased to see that I have been able to prove the biasness.
All right, you serve everybody in that case.
I have already one. I have already served.
Are you there for the university?
We got it.
All right, state.
I have served to the GP after the change.
Then somebody has to appear from the GP's office. All right.
I can serve the notice.
Notice only. Affidavit of service and the supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner in court today. It's taken on record. Stop.
81, I'm appearing for the Vidyasagar University.
All right.
My lord, here the state advocate's representation is very much necessary because this is regarding a scheme to be formulated by the higher education department for the died in harness category, whereas the main matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court on this. In another
It's
matter,
not a died in harness. Fresh appointment of library clerk.
It's not a died in harness case.
this is not 81.
81,
yes,
but then not died in harness case.
Selection of a library clerk. Fresh
Oh,
selection.
I'm very sorry, my lord. Perhaps due to
Record your appearance. Next
no,
time
my lord, if that is of I am for Vidyasagar University. If it is not against university, then my lord, I cannot appear.
University is their party.
it is
University
against the
party.
university.
Oh, thank you. I'm grateful, my lord.
None appears on behalf of the state respondents. Stop. List the matter for hearing in the combined monthly list of August.
My lord, may I humbly beseech one thing, my lord, kindly fix any date, my lord. The difficulty is this, my lord, from 2018, I am suffering. The person, the private respondent, she has been engaged in the panel, my lord, but the honorable division has categorically held that she is not entitled to be in the panel.
All right.
Any date,
Let it appear. Next week, the combined list will be published. Then I'll see. Notice be served upon the private respondents also.
As your lordship. Your lordship perhaps has indicated in the order that notice to non-appearing respondents.
Yes.
Grateful to
My
you.
lord, I do appear, my lord, on behalf of the respondent number 6.
Private
Who is the
respondent.
no? Who is the principal of the
college.
Yes.
College is represented by somebody else and the principal of the college is represented by somebody else.
Because of the fact that
I do
this
not
present,
know if
present principal has joined the office in March 2021. And
I
allegation
don't
is
know.
against the teacher.
The court doesn't have a problem,
Mal.
but then everybody should be represented.
Mal.
You give your appearance.
As your lordship. Grateful.
You.
In item number 2, I am for the petitioner.
But I am for the respondent number 9 to 17.
My instance, my lord. My lord, kindly cease, my lord. There is a request from the Honorable Division Bench, my lord, to hear this matter expeditiously.
I appear on behalf of the Western College Service Commission. The issue has been decided by.
No, my lord, this is not true, not at all true.
On PIL.
On earlier occasion, it was said so.
Kindly
But the
consider this one of the order.
All right. All right. All right.
Petitioner's prayer for challenging the notification of 2019.
I petitioner.
Decided by this.
All right.
I petition numberটা বলেছিস তুই আমাকে আগে দিস এই পান্ডা নাম্বারটা কত বল
WPA 429 of 2020.
WPO.
Was the matter finally disposed of?
No, not at all, my lord.
Then it is to be heard.
It is to be hard, my lord.
Then why did it go to the division bench for?
Oh, sir, refusal. No, against আমাকে বলতে দেন আমার কাছে there was a refusal of interim order.
Interim order.
Against that, we went to the division bench.
I followed it. Then it is at the interim order stage which is to be heard also.
My lord, may hear the entire petition. Because now at this juncture, my lord, I'm not praying for any interim order. My lord, may hear the interim.
What was CAN 3 for?
But the various applications for addition of parties were filed from time to time.
And there is one CAN. Is there one CAN 4 also?
Can for dispose of.
CAN 4 disposed.
Application for have been allowed. Parties have been added. My lord, now there are 75 parties.
I can see in the list CAN 3 is there. From the list, it is appearing CAN 3 is there. এইটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন তো, এইটা আমার কাছে রয়েছে তো দেখছি।
কপিগুলো দিতে পারবে আমাকে? হ্যাঁ?
The matter order. The early hearing to be.
CAN 3 টা কিসের জন্য? Yes, addition of party, application praying for inclusion of the applicants as added respondents in the instant writ petition. Who are the applicants? State Aided College Teachers Welfare Association and
College, my lord, can you see the cost?
and Gopal Chandra Ghosh.
My lord.
Added? There are so many parties who have been added.
From time to time, applications are coming for getting themselves added, and that's why this proceeding is getting delayed. Hearing of the petition is getting delayed. The issue is, my lord, I have challenged the notification of 23rd December 2019. So many parties, I do not have any grievance against all these parties. My grievance is against the notification.
We are the beneficiaries of the notification. They are not added as a party.
Which is admittedly against the UPSC law regulation. Can you see the notification?
We are the beneficiaries of this notification.
Can you see the notification?
Purposefully, they are not made as a party respondent.
96, my lord, 96. This notification is under challenge, my lord.
List the matter for hearing in the combined monthly list of August. Let the non-appearing respondents be notified.
Lord,
No, see, in the previous matter also same thing. Date is not possible. Let it appear. We'll see.
Lord, I was representing the state, Lord. I have the
copies. I'll take another copy from my learned friend. My lord, whenever your lordship fixes, my lord, we will be coming ready, my lord, to argue the case. My lord, we have
Monthly list.
monthly list.
And I'm reading.
Please don't.
Coming up after a long time, my lord, can you see?
Date?
2000.
I release it. You go before any bench which is comparatively less congested.
Before my lord got back at date.
Then please wait. Yes, next.
I appear for the petition.
Non-prosecution. Why? 22. Why do you not, will you not proceed?
Respondent are already been complied with the prayer of the petition.
Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the grievance of the petitioner has already been redressed by the authority. I am recording it. Stop. The petitioner has intimated the learned counsel not to proceed with the matter any further. Very well, not pressed.
Dr. Patra is appearing online.
Yes, yes.
I'm the secondary board, your lordship. Excuse me. Sir. I don't know for my senior is there, Ms. Shenmata.
You
My
are.
lord, yes. Now, my lord, the case before your lordship is that the petitioners are the headmasters of the schools, the government-sponsored schools, who were appointed after 25th of September 25, though all were selected through a common selection process. All the headmasters. Now, my lord, a writ petition was earlier moved in which an order was passed directing the principal secretary to take a decision. The principal secretary rejected the claim and relied upon explanation 2 of clause 5 of the ROPA 2019. Now, my lord, challenging that order, this present writ petition was moved in which an order was passed on 9th of April directing the respondents, my lord, paragraph 5 of the order, that in the meanwhile...
Where is the report? Please give the report.
Yes.
Not a report as it.
Yes.
We have not received any report as such.
But then that is the order of the court.
Mala, we have informed them through this evidentiary service that they are supposed to file a report.
And thereafter, again, the new advocate has been engaged pursuant to last order of this
The court
honorable court.
engaged a learned counsel and directed the principal secretary and the person heading the department of the school education in consultation with the commissioner to file a report. Where is that report? And the order was passed long back.
I just got an intimation, my lord. You have not got the report as I'll apply for the report. Week's time, my lord. 1 week time, my lord.
My lord, on 24th of April, the order was passed.
I can see 24th of April, the order was passed. Learned counsel was engaged by the state respondents by the court. What did the learned counsel do? She's sitting behind.
And thereafter, again, my lord was pleased to pass.
June, 25th of June, the court appointed you. What
Yes.
steps did you take thereafter?
But they ask for more time, madam. And we are constantly following them up, madam.
Listen, there is a court and there is an order, and your authority will be bound to act accordingly. More time, it doesn't mean that indefinite period of time will be granted. The order was passed in April. 26th, 25th of June, you were appointed. Steps should have been taken by now. Please come. The report directed to be filed. Video order dated 24th of April 2026 has not been filed till date. 24th of April 2026 has not been filed till date. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondent seeks further extension of time for filing the report. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that nearly 3 months' time is over from the date of passing the order by the court for filing the report. Stop. The authority ought to deal with the court's order in a serious manner and not delay in complying the direction passed by the court. Stop. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the state, comma, peremptory extension of time for filing the report is allowed. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration on 17th August. Stop. The report shall positively be prepared and circulated by 12th August 2026. Stop. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record.
Deeply obliged. Grateful, my lord, grateful.
Not 5 minutes, I am with the petitioner. This is my
I am for the statement.
This is the second round battle. Battle, my lord. Kindly see the page 48. Earlier order of this court, my lord.
Yes.
Petitioner is a victim of a bottleneck which has been created by the Calcutta University. All that the Calcutta University is required to do is to take a decision whether the period of service rendered by the petitioner in the post of research associate during the period of 85 to 90 would be counted as continuous service, and to intimate the Director of Public Instruction about the same. This has been pending since long. It seems that the university has already taken a call and decided on a positive note in favor of the petitioner that the said period is continuous period of service. Mr. Jadavji, next, Lord, the finally matter was disposed of and it was sent to the DPI, Director of Public Instruction, Lord. He was given hearing. Thereafter, he passed an order 31st March 2026 and rejected. No, 11 June 2026, page 53. That is the interim order which I have challenged.
The university forwarded to the DPI.
Yes.
And now the DPI has rejected?
Rejected only on the plea that he has. Can you see the page, Lord?
57?
Page 55. Page 55. Can you see? Subpara 8.
Yes.
In middle, her observation is the power to condone a service deficiency raised with the finance department, government of West Bengal, not with the Director of Public Instruction. On that ground, he has rejected.
Which portion? 55? 8?
That is 8.
Roman 8. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, such and such specific instance where acting and the directed exercise the extent power to condone service deficiency. That so many years ended up without having any return. The department then used the power to condone service deficiency is with the finance department and not with the Director of Public Instructions.
So, my humble submission, it ought to have been referred to the finance department. Without referring, he has dismissed, he has rejected the prayer of the petitioner, Lord. There is a number of cases I have already cited. I have already annexed that documents. That is the finance department's order. Kindly see this. Where is the...
1 minute. Page 55. What is the work of a research associate?
That is under the Calcutta University, he worked there. On that basis, because kindly see the higher education department time to time sent a letter to the university because their intention to grant the pension. On that basis, page 38. Page 38, Malad. Deputy Secretary to the Government of West Bengal sent a letter to the University of Calcutta and directed.
Where is the law, the memorandum, circular pursuant to which the period you work as research associate is to be treated? Is to be treated as your service. Show me that.
That the Calcutta University already page 44, Malad.
Show me the law.
No, then my humble submission before officer on two folds. One, Malad, 85 to 90, I worked there as a research associate. Thereafter, I worked in different discipline in the Calcutta University. And after that, 2000, I got a appointment later. Can you see? That is page 33. 20 September 2000, I got an appointment as a lecturer in the Sanskrit department of the Calcutta University.
Just show me the law. You do not have to show anything.
No.
Show me the law
my
where
humble submission, they have taken the note of the research associate period. Kindly see the last para of this appointment letter. This joining report along with the last copy of the pay certificate for fixation of your salary by the finance committee. Last, that is the joining report along with the last copy of pay certificate. So, prior joining, I was worked there as a research associate.
No, but then that was not your salary. You must be getting stipend or something of that sort.
My humble submission was that if that not be so, my lord, I retired in the year of 2000. Yes, my lord. I retired on 31st August 2009. Thereafter, immediately prior retirement, I have already extended my service. My service was extended by the Calcutta University.
All said and done, you just show me that this period can be treated as a service period. Yes, show me.
Either or, blood. Because
What either or?
Because extended service, after retirement, I have already continued for 5 years. Extended service. So, my lord, my humble submission. Number of occasion blood court considered it, and higher education department also considered it, and finance department also condoned the deficiency. That is a petitioner already worked there. Either extended period or my lord past service. This is my humble submission before the court. On that basis, court directed.
Extended period will be possibly, I did not see, upon a contract for a particular period of time. Right.
Time to time.
Time to time.
Yes.
It's a time-bound contract. And the
There is no
research
contract.
associate is a different thing. It is not a part of your job. So
Alright.
how can you claim either?
Alright, my lord, either or, either past service or.
Show me any. Either the previous one or the end one. Show me that it can be counted. Under which provision of law? Show me the law.
Kindly see, I have already annexed a order note, annexed a documents that the finance department already condoned. Kindly see this, page 57.
Yes.
In compliance with the order passed by Honorable Justice Orit Banerjee, such and such, in case is taken up today for hearing and taking a reasoned decision on the representation of the petitioner earlier on the first date of hearing on 18 December 2017, the petitioner remained absent. Today he appeared personally. Sri Shama Prasad Mukherjee was appointed as a clerk in the establishment of Umesh Chandra College with effect from 1st July 1991. Subject to approval of the government by governing body resolution.
This is an absolute different matter.
No, kindly see, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. Without, by governing body resolution dated without following the due procedure, the governing body appointed him in an unapproved post with a consolidated monthly salary, such and such. His service was later approved and regularized by the government with effect from such and such. He retired on superannuation with effect from 29 February 2016. He was not eligible for pension as minimum qualifying.
You do not have to read. This bench has passed innumerable orders.
Yes.
But research associate is an absolute different term, first.
So,
and second, if the first portion cannot be taken into consideration, second is an absolute contractual engagement. How can that be permitted to be taken into consideration for
the appointment? Can you see this appointment? Where is the contractual appointment? Time to time when they have engaged. Page 35, kindly see. My client retired on 31st August 2009. And the letter I am showing that is 5th March 2010. In continuation to this office earlier letter number dated 28th August 2009. That is prior retirement. Already department take a decision that my service will be extended. Though they have nomenclature the re-employment. But no contract has been signed. Let them produce the I have.
Maybe. Are you aware as to how many such employees are in employment with the state? If one is allowed, then the state will not be able to fulfill the claim of the others. It cannot be done. In fact, in the High Court itself.
But the fact is that the lady who worked there not at all from 2000 to 2015. That is superannuation after that.
In different capacities.
Now same category, my lord, same category. Can you see
capacity is different. One in regular service, other is re-employed. Your status changed.
This is the extension for lecturer.
Very well, extended period.
Yes. So my lord,
it cannot be done till you show me a particular circular. It cannot be done. Show me something.
My
want to come prepared.
court can consider it because.
No, sorry, under which provision of law? Why will court extend sympathy to one and refuse to the others?
Because this Shyamal Kumar Mukherjee, Shama Prasad Mukherjee.
Shama Prasad Mukherjee was working there in a not in a regular post. Thereafter, simply from casual to permanent. That the court has done on innumerable occasions, but yours is not the same
But
case.
I was also worked there after retirement, after 60. That is.
Madam, please, if you want to show, I can adjourn. Otherwise, I'm going to dismiss it.
No, not kindly allow me some time.
Very well, you take time.
I shall take time.
Very well, come prepared. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record. Stop. The order passed by the
Not hearing them, Lord.
Director of Public Instructions rejecting the petitioner's
DPI already formed his her
claim
opinion that matter may be
for condoning his service period is impugned in the instant writ petition. Stop. The Director of Public Instruction has mentioned that the power to condone service deficiency rests upon the Finance Department.
Yes, Lord.
Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the same. It has been submitted that prior to regular appointment, she was serving as a research associate for more than 5 years. Stop. Even after her superannuation, her service stood extended. Stop. The authority ought to take into consideration either her previous years as a research associate or the later years as extended period of service for granting her, to condone her deficiency in pensionable service period. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner has, however, not been able to place before this court any provision of law which permits the authority to take a decision regarding condonation of the pensionable service period. Stop. To allow the learned advocate for the petitioner to come further prepared, release the matter on 3rd of August.
Lord, may I submit only one thing, Lord? Now, when the DPI already formed her opinion, that matter can be condoned by the Finance Department. So, kindly direct the Finance Department.
No, not so mechanical.
Our instruction is the petition order is the appropriate order. That is the instruction.
That is also not right. How can the DPI, you will be representing DPI, you will be representing the Finance Department also. What powers does the Finance Department have to condone service deficiency? Please bring. Learned advocate for the state shall come ready with all necessary instruction on the adjourned date.
Lord, may I one appeal, Lord. Let it be appear 4th August because 3rd August the monthly list. So 4th August.
No, 3rd August, it will appear as urgent motion at the top.
I'm grateful.
We are grateful.
But the petitioner was selected as an assistant teacher in connection with the selection process of first SLST upper primary level. The petitioner's candidature was recommended by the School Service Commission, my lord, against the roster point 19 OBC A category. The school has intimated that the roster point 19 in that school belongs to, my lord, the OBC B category. Due to that reason, my lord, the no appointment letter was issued. Time and again made several representation to the authorities, my lord. Till date, my lord, the appointment letter has not been issued, my lord. Kindly see my recommendation letter, page 16. Thereafter, the communication made by the school authority before the chairman, my lord, the intimating their stand, my lord. May I read for lordship, my lord?
17.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Communication of the school.
I've seen it's due to mismatch, it could not be done.
Thereafter, my lord,
What were you doing for so long?
But I have made several.
Mismatch in January 25, it was intimated December 20.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the several representation before the authorities. My lord, I am a selected candidate, my lord. In the case of Purushottam, my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court has held that, my lord, the point of, my lord, the expiry of panel as well as, my lord, if the vacancy also filled up by someone else, my lord, that cannot be taken, my lord. And I will be relying upon a decision of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, in the case of.
What is the stand?
my lord, the stand is that my lord's commission do not have any matching vacancy for recommendation.
Still now you do not have.
My lord,
Then what is going to happen to
I
this
direct the
candidate?
Commissioner of School Education to send a matching vacancy for the candidate to the commission so that commission can issue recommendation letter in her paper.
Please come. The petitioner participated in the selection process of upper primary teachers. Comma diye. First SLST 2016. Stop. She was recommended by the West Bengal School Service Commission to a school in December 2024. Stop. Her subject is Sanskrit. Within bracket OBC A category. Stop paragraph. The school where the petitioner was recommended did not have a matching vacancy. Stop. The school intimated the same to the commission way back in January 2025. Stop. The petitioner thereafter made several representations before the commission for recommending her to a separate school with matching vacancy. Stop. The same has not materialized till date. Stop. Prayer has been made by the petitioner to direct the commission to recommend her to a school with matching vacancy. Stop. Learned advocate representing the commission submits upon instruction that the commission does not have any matching vacancy where the petitioner may be recommended. Stop. Learned advocate for the commission submits that only if the Commissioner of School Education makes available to the commission any school with matching vacancy, comma, then the commission may recommend the name of the petitioner to that school. Stop paragraph. Upon hearing the parties, it appears that the petitioner, comma, being successful in the selection process, comma, was recommended for appointment. Semicolon. But due to non-availability of a matching vacancy, comma, she is yet to be issued a letter of appointment. Stop paragraph. A selected candidate ought not to be left behind for non-availability of a matching vacancy at the end of the commission. Stop. Next paragraph. In view of the above, the Commissioner of School Education is directed to identify a matching vacancy where the petitioner may be appointed. Stop. Upon identification, comma, the Commissioner of School Education shall intimate the name of the school to the commission. School bracket একটা S দিয়ে দেবেন. There may be more than one schools to the commission, which may be intimated to the petitioner. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration on 17th August 2026. Stop. The action taken report by the Commissioner of School Education and the West Bengal Central School Service Commission shall be placed before this court on the adjourned date. Service is taken on the court. এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিন, এটা লাগবে না।
My lord, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner in this matter.
Thank you, the commission led by Dr. Patra.
It is that matter regarding first SLST upper primary counseling which is going on. Tomorrow is my counseling. A similar order lordship has already considered that.
Tomorrow is your counseling?
Yes.
You are there for counseling?
No, the date of my subject counseling is
Your
tomorrow.
subject counseling.
Yes.
Your counseling.
Yes, I'm sorry, my lord. I stand corrected. My subject counseling. 2 marks, even if 2 marks have been deducted, my lord, I come within the zone of consideration. The candidates below my rank has been called for counseling. May I show to your lordship? The similar order lordship has considered.
Dr. Patro.
Yes, a similar order may be passed as was passed on the 21st of July in this Pritu De Chakraborty case. Ms. Dubey is there. She has a copy of the order.
Yes,
There is
I
a
have
copy
handed.
handed over already.
Yes, yes. Pritu to
Yes.
Pritu.
Court allowed subject to verification of the documents.
Yes, yes, yes.
What
And
is your
the-
marks?
My marks, yes. My lord, my marks is actually 86.4300.
86.4300.
That is my total marks. Now,
Yes.
my lord, without the personality test, my marks comes to 81.6. And if 2 marks are deducted, my lord, that comes to 79.6. And for OBC B, I am eligible only for OBC B because for OBC, for general, the cutoff is 79.7 and mine comes to 79.6. But so far OBC B is concerned, my lord, the cutoff is 78.4, mine is 79.6.
Your name has been enlisted in multiple panels.
Yes, multiple panels. One in general, my rank was 8.
One in OBC B.
OBC rank is 18.
All right. Were you directed to participate in the 5th round of counseling also?
I was called for.
You were called?
I'm showing to your lordship,
No,
my lord, I was
second phase. Second phase of counseling.
second phase of
Not
counseling,
fifth.
not the fifth. Phase 32.
Second round of counseling.
Yes, my lord.
So second round of counseling took place long back. What
No,
were you
that is
doing?
20th of December 2024.
Your subject is?
My subject is, my lord,
Bengali.
Bengali, my lord. Upper primary, Bengali.
Please come. এই প্যারাগ্রাফে থাকবে প্যারাগ্রাফ 2 এতটা থাকছে 3 থাকছে এইটা বাদ দিয়ে থাকছে এটা থাকছে আচ্ছা এই 5 অবধি রাখুন তারপর লিখুন Reliance has been placed on the order dated 21st July 2026 passed by this bench in WPA 17793 of 2026. Pritu De Chakraborty versus State of West Bengal and others. Yes, sir. Learned advocate representing the commission relies upon the submission recorded on behalf of the commission in the matter of Pritu De Chakraborty within bracket supra. Stop paragraph. Upon hearing the parties, it appears that the petitioner is a candidate in respect of the subject Bengali. Stop. The counseling process is due to be held tomorrow. এটা আজকেই কিন্তু দেবেন সার্ভার হবে স্টপ paragraph 19 when do I keep the matter returnable? 28th? Other matters are there on the 28th.
30.
Yes, but 28th is tomorrow, the day of counseling. So
Yes, it will take
let
some
it
time.
be up.
Yes,
Yes.
it will be the week thereafter. It will come on the 4th of August. ঠিক আছে, 19 onwards. All right.
I'm grateful to Lordship.
Kindly retain paragraph 22. Kindly retain paragraph 22, the verification of the documents.
30 to 22.
22.
Right. From 19 onwards. 19,
Very
20,
well.
21, 22, 23. All have been
My lord.
retained.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, ma'am. And one similar matter, Lordship has kept tomorrow. Because she had,
Bengali is tomorrow.
no, another matter, Lordship kept tomorrow because she had, on the very day she filed the case. That will be coming
Doesn't
up
matter.
tomorrow, Your Lordship has kept.
Three
Your
matters are there
subject
tomorrow.
Bengali and the
Tomorrow is my.
tomorrow is the date of counseling.
Yes, ma'am. This matter. Grateful. Much obliged to Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
Matter I am on. Matter. And it change maybe made in paragraph 7.
Microphone. Yes.
Change may be made.
Date.
Page no, paragraph 7 of the order made.
Uh-huh.
At the time of communication the order, it should be made by.
Cannot hear. Learned counsel for the petitioner shall forward a copy of all relevant page paragraph 7.
Paragraph 7.
Uh-huh. And judgments of this court at the time of
Communication the order.
yes. Very well. Paragraph 7, there is a change, please note. লিখে দিয়েছি।
Affidavit of service. Affidavit of service.
Yes. 9 is same.
Same.
10 is same.
10 is same.
11.
Same.
12.
Same.
13.
Same.
14.
Same.
15.
Same.
16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all same.
Up to 25.
Up to 25, all same?
Same.
All right, same. Print করেই দিয়ে দেবেন। (26) and 27 same?
My lord, same.
Previous one?
Yes.
All right, give.
Only, my lord, there is no representation. This order is required.
The one that is being passed in your case?
In other cases, my lord, where there is no representation.
Yes, I'm aware. দিয়ে দিন তো ওনার অর্ডারটা দিয়ে দিন একটা কি বলছে? Yes, 26 and 27.
দুটোই দেওয়া আছে 26 27 আলাদা আলাদা দেওয়া আছে আপনি একসাথে
দিয়েছে
না দেওয়া আছে এক্ষুনি দিলাম দেখুন আরেকটা আছে 7ই মানে 26 ঠিক আছে
All right. ঠিক আছে।
21.
621.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord, interest on gratuity and area pension. Revised PPO ROPA 2019.
All right, disposed. Done. সার্ভিস লাগবে না, আপনি শুধু ফাইল দিন। Gratuity and area pension? All right, disposed.
Six 23, my lord, I am for the petition. Interest on gratuity and area pension revised.
There is an order copy. Sumanto, there is an order copy. Take down.
I'm grateful to you.
And appears on behalf of the petitioner. List on 3rd August.
My lord,
3rd
I am
August
for the
as to be
petitioner.
mentioned. Under the heading to be mentioned.
I'm for the petitioner. The petitioner, the affidavit of service. The petitioner retired on 31st December 2023 and the pension payment order issued on 11th June 2025 and the payment disbursed on 15th July 2025. The single PPO ROPA 2019.
What is your prayer?
Prayer for the area pension and gratuity.
Yes. When was it due?
2025, the order was issued.
When was it due? Dispose, call the next matter. When was it due? When did it fall due? Call the next matter.
Lord, I am for the petitioner. Interest on gratuity and area pension ROPA 19 revised PPO.
Disposed.
Lord, I am for the this is also interest on gratuity and area pension single PPO.
Disposed.
My interest on gratuity and arrear pension, single BPO, my lord.
Dismissed on the ground of delay.
My lord. My lord, there was 3 years delay, my lord.
Next.
Madam. This is single PPO, interest on gratuity and arrear pension.
Disposed.
My lord. Great. And this is also interest on gratuity and arrear single.
Dismissed on the ground of delay.
2019, my lord.
We are in 26.
This is also single PPO, open single PPO, my lord, arrear and in gratuity and arrear pension. Gratuity and arrear.
Disposed.
Good. Same matter, my lord. Single PPO.
Dismissed on the ground of delay.
See. My lord, this is row for 19 revised PPO.
This is revised.
Revised, my lord.
Disposed.
I'm grateful.
Withdrawal. By Treasury Chalan. Overdrawal. Yes, my lord. By Treasury Chalan. Page 14. Died in harness case. Yes, my lord. This is a died in harness case. The petitioner is the widow. No, widow. Widow. Ashit Baran is the widower of a deceased teacher. Stop. She died in harness. The teacher died in harness on 17th October 2020. At the time of disbursal of her terminal dues, certain amount was deducted on the account of overdrawal of salary. Yes, how does you do you substantiate? What is your submission? Died in